Yo, inhloko.
Ulinyama inhloko kuphi? Overseas.
No, Amatumbu. I actually had a tribe. Loose.
Yes.
I had in front, but it wasn't.
What color was it?
It's too clean.
Yes, it's white.
They clean
Yeah.
it white.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look
that's
at
the worst
you.
thing.
It looks like they bleached it.
Yeah.
And Jonah, then your stomach it starts your vibe. Yeah. We need it still a bit dirty.
Yes.
We
That's where the
you don't
flavor is.
fully clean.
Can't be too clean, yeah.
No, you can't be too clean. No. No, my person a bleach. Clean.
No, it can't be clean. They're kind of dirty.
I like it. When you eat it and you taste a bit of
Yes,
the
you have
ground.
to.
Amachinyana.
Yeah.
That crunchinyana.
And you complain when you taste it. Sis Lando. But
Can't
when you
believe
don't
we
have
said
it,
that.
with the high man, 10 in the store.
Where's the first
Yeah.
slap?
In Antigua. In Antigua.
Listen, that's called motherfucking bars, nigga. You know nothing about that.
That's got to be racist. There's no way. I'm gonna just keep it real. There's no way.